1500%, 470%, 370%. This is how much return some stocks gave in 2023. मतलब इन स्टॉक्स ने इन्वेस्टर्स की लाखों रुपए की इन्वेस्टमेंट्स को करोड़ों में बदल दिया। क्या आपने भी ऐसी न्यूज़ देखकर सोचा है कि काश मैंने भी इस स्टॉक में इन्वेस्ट किया होता तो अभी मैं अमीर होता, बहुत अमीर। लेकिन इन स्टॉक्स में से कुछ स्टॉक्स के बारे में तो कुछ लोगों को पता भी नहीं था। तो इन मल्टी बैगर्स को स्पॉट कैसे करें? ये तो मुश्किल है। However, I can tell you how to spot a good stock to invest in. Let's begin. Indian markets have seen a spectacular run in 2023. From Nifty surpassing 21k mark to Sensex topping 70k and India becoming the 5th largest stock market surpassing Hong Kong, it was a good news for some investors as their stocks gave them multi-bagger returns. It is very difficult to predict if a stock will give you multi-bagger returns, but not very difficult to find a good stock to invest in. So how do you choose the right stock? To find a good stock, first read about the business. Know what you are going to bet on rather than depending on other people's analysis or advice. Second, don't go with the crowd. Just like Baba Ranchhod Das said, सक्सेस के पीछे मत भागो, एक्सीलेंस के पीछे भागो। सक्सेस झक मार के तुम्हारे पीछे आएगी। डोंट इन्वेस्ट जस्ट बिकॉज एवरीवन एल्स इज इन्वेस्टिंग। अंडरस्टैंड द बिजनेस, सी द वैल्यूएशन एंड देन इन्वेस्ट। Experts say if the stock is trading below its intrinsic value, it offers high earnings growth and has the potential to get better returns. Intrinsic value is an anticipated value of the stock that is determined by the fundamental analysis of the stock. Third, see the potential. It is not easy to know the future, but इतना तो determine कर ही सकते हो कि ये theme future में चलेगी कि नहीं. For example, AI or green energy are the technologies of the future. Fourth, do fundamental analysis and look at the ratios like PE ratio and debt to equity ratio. Look for companies whose PE ratio is faster growing compared to the stock price and companies that have reduced their debt over time. If you don't know about these terms and ratios, click on the link in description for a detailed video. Fifth, look at the earnings of the company. Look for businesses that have given high margins, have improved their profits and revenues over a period of time, and has potential to grow further. Use the formula to estimate the earnings per share to determine how much the company is earning against each share and watch the companies that consistently generate cash flows. Sixth, track government policies and priorities. Say if the government is focusing on Make in India and launching PLI schemes, stocks of companies related to that particular sector will be the ones to watch out for. If government spends more on infrastructure, the stocks of railways and construction goes up. Seventh, remain patient. A stock does not turn multi-bagger as soon as you invest in it. If there is a boost in a particular stock or company's earnings, it might give you high returns. So you can't turn into a millionaire overnight. It takes time. Eighth, determine if a company has a competitive advantage. A company that can stay in competition by offering better services and products grows. So all in all, अगर आपका दोस्त कुएं में कूदने जा रहा है तो आप बिना सोचे समझे उसके साथ मत चल पड़ो. Wait, understand the market, learn the basics, analyze the stock and then invest in it. And maybe one or two of the stocks in your portfolio turn into multi-baggers. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to ET Now's YouTube channel. I will see you in the next video.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.